Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a pack with me for a ski trip I'm going on. I'm going on a ski trip this weekend. No, I do not know how to ski. I recently bought a snowboard. I'm probably gonna try and learn how to use that. Probably not gonna do very good. I'm going to be packing for my ski trip today. This is gonna be like a pack with me and vlog kind of combined into one. So let's just get into it. Okay, I'm just gonna go find like the shirts in my closet. I'm just gonna go from there. I think I have everything. We're leaving on Friday to go there, and then we come back on Sunday for the Super Bowl. I kind of have to pack wisely. Obviously I have like pajamas packed. I have pajamas packed. I have like cute outfits because the day that we leave I kind of want to look nice because it's a Sunday, so we're going to be at church. So I want to pack nicely for that. I also kind of wanted to just like talk to you guys about like my channel and stuff. I am planning on uploading on like Sundays. The best day for me to film is on Saturday because I don't work that day and I don't have anything usually going on. And the best day for me to edit is on Sunday when I come home from church. That is going to be my schedule most of the time. Let me know in the comments what kind of videos you guys want to see because I have had a few requests, just not on my YouTube page. I'm not in any sports, so I do have a lot of free time. Okay, I think I have most of my stuff packed. Welcome back to my channel. Now I have everything packed that I can pack right now, I believe. So I have this bottom part of my suitcase. This is all just plain clothes and pajamas and stuff. Over here I have like socks and underwear, and then I have like toiletries. I'm probably just gonna use my Fjallraven Kanken backpack and then put my headphones and my charger in there. I'm losing hair. Anyway, so I think I'm done packing for now. I will update you guys when I get something else done with my life. As far as like toiletry items go, all I can pack for now, I can't pack my toothbrush or like my hairbrush because obviously I still use those day to day. I think I've done a pretty good job. The shoes for this trip that I want to pack, I'm going to be using on my day to day. I will pack them when I'm done using them for the rest of this week. I think I have everything good for right now. I'm probably going to pack my water bottle, my hydro flask. Okay, I'm never saying that again. But yeah, I will see you guys in a couple days. Bye. Hey guys, we just made it to the place where we are lodging for the night. I'm very excited to go skiing tomorrow. Right now it is around 9:30 p.m. I'm gonna start getting ready for bed. So I'm gonna go tell the kids to go to bed and I'll be right back. Just like that, we're all done. Sad. I'm just hanging out here in the basement by myself. Sorry for the loudness from my fan, but I just wanted to tell you guys the whole experience with skiing and traveling up to the very north and just be here and ski with my family. I would definitely give it a 10 out of 10. I'm super excited to go again, and I would definitely vlog this again for you guys. Good night. Okay guys, quick update. We are stopped at a gas station. We had a pretty smooth morning, and yeah, my fam's coming out to the vehicle. We are finally home. Long car ride. It's okay because we're home now and we're ready for the Super Bowl.